Alright, so we are going to try the Sinigang roll. Sinigang roll. Sinigang.
Let's go.
Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. If you came here from TikTok, I would appreciate it. If you haven't already met her, this is my beautiful wife, Hannah.
Hello.
We're going to try this Sinigang roll that I made on TikTok. So, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay, well.
This looks so good.
First bite, look, there it is. So the concept was to put all the ingredients on the inside and use the broth for the soy sauce. So,
Let me see inside. Oh, you can't really see. Never mind.
Yeah, you want to go ahead and try it?
Okay. You want to try it again?
Sure. Okay. Hopefully it sticks together. It's hard when all the ingredients are like wet.
Yeah.
But it's holding up pretty well.
Not bad. Mine's kind of falling apart a little bit. How about staying? Okay, let's go.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers, my dear.
Oh!
Okay.
You got it.
Okay. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yo! I love Sinigang. This broth is so good.
I got a little piece of ginger in there and everything. Oh my goodness, it's so good.
This right here. Can you hear the cat? He wants some too?
Bear.
Bear, you want to come try this? Come here, boy. Come on now.
Here's Bear.
This is our son. This is our son, Bear. Bear, you want to say hello?
His name's Bear Costa.
Bear. Senor Queso.
Let's see if he wants to smell.
You want to smell the broth? Hey, watch your toes,
Oh.
boy. That's a health violation.
No, not interested.
Fun fact, Bear does not like any other food except kibble and the treats.
Yep, pretty much. He doesn't even like wet food really, but I force him. Alright.
Get out of here, boy. We gotta eat this. Hey, this is good. This is real good.
It's amazing.
Oh, man. I need another piece.
It's so good. Goodness. Onion? No, that's green. Oh, it's the beans. It's just everything that was in the... Interesting. Tomato, chicken.
It's so good. Yeah.
That's amazing.
I can eat that whole thing. Give me some water.
So good. We're so crying. Oh my god. I'm not even hungry. It just tastes good.
We literally just got done eating dinner today. But dang. Alright, last piece.
Finish it.
I wish y'all were here to try this.
It's so good. I would get that. Freaking 10 out of 10. Man.
That's top of the leaderboard. This is the first one though.
So good. So good. Impressive. The fact that you're able to roll that into a roll, because it's all like stuff that would fall apart, and then it just tastes so freaking dang good. Yep. Amazing.
I'd like to order another one, please.
My turn.
You gotta make it this time.
No.
That's gonna do it. I'm so glad you guys came here to check this out. If you didn't see it, go to my TikTok, which is CostaMakesSushi. Go over there and check out the video. And if you hadn't already, go ahead and subscribe or follow. Yeah, follow. Subscribe here.
Follow there.
Follow there.
Can you follow here too? Bye.
Thank you.
Never mind.
Thank you guys. Again, this is my wife Hannah.
Bye.
And we'll see you next time.
Okay. Bye.
Hi. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
You're so...
We're putting Sinigang roll right here at the top. Maybe I'll have like a board up here where we'll do a ranking system. Trust me, guys, subscribe. You want to be here for the next one, okay? I promise you. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but trust me, it's going to be good. It's going to be amazing. But no, but seriously, guys, if you want to recommend something, the comment section is down below, and if I like it, maybe I'll make it. You know what I'm saying?